Hey everyone, Snowthrasher here. In this video, we'll be talking about the sequel to Cooking with the Bois. So let's just get right into it. So recently on the channel, we hit 1,000 views. That is a pretty great accomplishment for myself. So we will be celebrating that milestone with a sequel to one of the most liked videos of my career, Cooking with the Bois. There will be background footage of that playing while I talk. Okay, so Cooking with the Bois 2. As you know, because I said in the podcast, which you guys should go watch, link in the description, I said that Cooking with the Bois 2 would be happening, and we would be making spaghetti tacos. As all of you know, spaghetti tacos are pretty famous, so we're going to be cooking those. But this time, it'll be a little bit different. It won't be just me and Adam. It'll be me, Adam, Ethan, and Matthew. So, as you know, because of the more people, this is going to be a harder production to produce. So, therefore, I have set the goal as to make it before the end of summer. So, when is the end of summer? Monday, September 23rd. I would likely have this video up before I go back to school, which is in the beginning of September. So look forward to Cooking with the Bois 2 information in the coming months or weeks. I don't know. It's just gonna be a tough production, you know. So yeah, till next time, Snowthrasher out.